Write each number in scientific notation. Welcome to this video where we'll try to solve some scientific notation problems. So at this moment, feel free to pause the video to solve these questions. Before you continue, we have more here in the next page. So again, feel free to solve all of this before you continue. But let's understand what that means, scientific notation. So in scientific notation, you express a number with exponents on 10. As you move the decimal, that's the important part. As you move the decimal point, the exponent on 10 change. So let's see some examples. Here we have a scientific notation. So 5.645 times 10 to the negative 2 power is a scientific notation. Same thing for 4.611 times 10 to the 4th power. But on this side, we have a 0.645 times 10 to the negative 2. And this is not a scientific notation. Why? Because in scientific notation, the digit you have before the decimal cannot be 0. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, but not 0. Even the second example is not a scientific notation. So 46.611 times 10 to the 4th power is not a scientific notation. Why? Because it had to be only one digit before the decimal. So here we have 46, which is 2 digits before the decimal. Okay, so let's see as a diagram, how the concept works. So the decimal is what I have in the middle here. Now, decimal moves left. What we do with the power, the exponent goes up. You have to understand that the exponent here is same as the power. When the decimal moves right, the exponent goes down. So, for example, we have 0.056, and we want to write this as a scientific notation. Therefore, we're going to move the decimal 1, 2 times to have that first digit before the decimal, which is not 0. And then here we have 5.6 times 10 to the negative 2. Remember, we move right, power or exponent goes down. The reason we have a negative 2. So the first time you move right is negative 1. The second time you move right is negative 2. The next example, this one here, having 17,882. So write this in scientific notation. You have to understand that the decimal is here. Yeah, it's very important. If I have a 3, do you know that 3 is same as 3.0? So anytime you have a number which is not a decimal, yes, you can write it as a decimal just to put that decimal, on the right side of the last digit on the right side. So the last digit on the right side is 2. So we put that decimal there and we move 1, 2, 3, 4 units left. 4 left. So move left, what we do goes up. The reason we have a 1.7882 times 10 raised to 4th power. And now this example is a challenge question, and I'll solve this at the end of the video. So let's see the questions I showed before, how we can solve them. Okay, so 0.07882 in scientific notation will be 7.882 times 10 to the negative 2 power. Yes, you have to understand that you'll move the decimal here 2 times or to the right. And because it's right, it has to be down for the power. The reason we have -2 as a power. Now, 87,200, yes, the decimal is here. Okay, because the decimal is here. To get this scientific notation, we go 1, 2, 3, 4 units left. And the left means what? Power goes up. So the reason we have 8.72 times 10 to the 4th power. Again, remember, in scientific notation, the digit you have before the decimal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, but it cannot be 0. The reason, this 0 point here, we write it as 7 points. And also, it have to be only one digit, only one digit before the decimal. Okay, the next one, having 118,000, you have to understand that again, the decimal is here. So you move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. 5 units left means you're going to have 1.18, 10 to the 5th power. And you'll see that same thing, here, but this time you move 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units right. And the move right, the power goes down. The reason you have a 10 to the -5. Okay, the last one here, you're gonna move the decimal 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units right. So right means down. So we have a down 6, which is same as 10 to the -6, but you have a 2.72338 times 10 to the -6. So you'll see that the rest are the same, concept. You move right, power goes down. You move left, power goes up. Okay, that's why you have this. Okay, this. Now let's see the challenge questions. Challenge yourself. So we have here 350.9 times 10 to the -4. First of all, we have to understand that this is not a scientific notation. Why? Because we have a 3 digit before the decimal. Not good. It have to be 1 digit before the decimal. So to write it as a 1 digit before the decimal, we will move the decimal 2 times to the left. So you have a 3.509 times 10 raised to -2. Yes, why -2? Let's explain it. We say that move left, power goes up. So power goes up here 2 because we move 2 units. So it's like we have a -4 plus 2, and that gives you -2. The reason the power is this -2. Based on that, I hope you understand, the last one. So here, because you have the same 350.9, and this time is multiplied by 10 to the 4th power, again, it's not yet a scientific notation. So we'll move the decimal, okay, 1, 2. So again, 2 times left. So we're gonna have 3.509, okay, multiplied by 10 raised to 6th power. Why 6? Because before we have a 4 here, and the left means what? Power goes up. So power goes up here 2 units. Up 2 is +2, and the 4 plus 2 is 6. The reason the power is 6 there. Okay. Thank you so much, for your attention. Okay. Remember, practice makes perfect. After you watch this video, you have to practice. Feel free to leave any comment and subscribe so that you can get the next video. Again, thank you.